Jeff McDermott, Kriete Truck Center here in Madison, Wisconsin, here to show you this 2025 HINO L6. It's 26,000 GVW. It's non-CDL. It's got a Cummins ISB 260 horsepower engine. See, it's got a 90-gallon fuel tank. We've got aluminum rims on the front and the rear. Take a quick look at the inside of the cab. It's got an air ride driver's seat. This truck has got an Allison 2500 RDS automatic transmission. You see, it's got a dump valve for the air ride suspension, heated mirrors. There's your dump valve. It's got tilt steering. Lots of storage. This truck has got a 270-inch wheelbase. However, we can shorten it, we can lengthen it, can set it up with a box van, flatbed, whatever your need calls for. Again, it's got air ride suspension on the rears, the aluminum rims. Take a quick peek from the passenger side. See, there's lots of room. Super sharp looking truck. You see, it's got chrome heated motorized mirrors. See, it's got LED headlights, super sharp. Chrome bumper, chrome grille. Have any questions, please give us a shout. Thanks for watching.